looking at him. Wow.
Well, honey, I'm in here.
Well, I'm Kedra. I was diagnosed with breast cancer in April 16th, I believe. I had a cyst that I had been watching for a while. I was following up on all my mammograms, but it was missed. So
did you find it yourself?
yes.
Okay. Girls, self-check.
And
check.
just so you know, I have a history of cyst that just bust. That's why I was watching it for longer than I probably should have. And I am a nurse, but I was watching it. It was very mobile. And I basically when I went to my yearly, I requested a mammogram.
So good. You have to advocate for yourself. Like I see it every single day in this chair, that you have to fight for yourself.
I was less than a year of needing a mammogram. So we can only
And it
do
is
the side
Yeah.
that had the abnormality because it had been under a year.
Because of insurance.
Yep.
Like, just blows my mind. So did they do both once you got?
Nope. Just did the one. I did freak out because a PET scan wasn't done after my diagnosis, so a CT was ordered, and
Okay.
it was just the right side. But I do have a lymph node, which I felt that as well, and that's why I said I need a mammogram.
We're having the HER2 scan come to our shop on June 24th to do ultrasounds.
Yeah.
So girls, get checked, get the diagnosis, get everything, because it's been in the family. Mama, you've had colon cancer, so
And
I mean, you want to make
what's
sure.
strange is the last mammogram I did, we were all in the bathroom laughing, and I was making them check themselves.
Yeah.
And
Oh,
then,
yeah, I remember that.
Well, you got a good support team here, and we're gonna find some good hair. Thank you, girls. These are her daughters. So, what's your names?
Regan. And I'm Kieran.
Sweet. This is Sierra. That is
and I probably won't always wear it to work because I just don't.
when you wear the hats. This is Holly.
And I do like Holly's curls.
Yes.
Holly's curls and bond.
Look at that. But looking at your pictures, this looks just like you. And this is Jocelyn. Love.
Yeah, I really like that one. That one suits you.
It looks so much like your pictures.
It
Yeah.
does.
Pull it back.
No, that's cute to me.
It's
Like
Isn't it? I know. I
it's
love
got
it.
a little bit around the face.
And this has that money piece in the front, so it's a little bit blonder.
Yeah, I kind of like
Which
that.
I love that. All right. So everybody say, do we dig the wig?
We dig the
dig
wig.
the
We dig the wig. Girls, y'all are awesome help to Mama here, and we just pray for healing all over your body, the top of your head, the tip of your toes, and all in between.
Thank you.
All right, come here. Oh, y'all can all put them on your support wigs.
Oh, that's actually so cute. That's actually so cute.
I had
hair this long.
Oh, she's done a good job with these girls.
Yes. Come here, Nana. Nana gets hair too.
Looking at him. Wow.
Well, honey, I'm in here.
That's her wig.
I sort of like that. I like this style. To be honest with you.
We have too much fun here, y'all. I love it.